Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. Today, I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, hello, Ali Raza, Google Ads expert. Okay, thank you for calling me Google Ads expert. Thank you, I appreciate. I just want to share an issue, and I want to know your view. My Google Ads account was suspended twice and reactivated after appeal. In both cases, suspension reason was unacceptable business practice policies. I run ads for real estate broker, and now there are three type of advertiser verification, including business operation, have been verified and validated. That's very good to know. Okay, if it's all being done. Question is, will my Google Ads account suspend again? Why did this occur? Account reactivated after suspension. What are the possibilities that my account will continue to work successful in the future? Okay, so what I'm seeing over here is that, because I have so far worked with hundreds of cases for Google Ads suspension and Google Ads disapproval, and I am over here seeing that this is an automated Google behavior, and your account may requires a manual review to get it up. But now, because your account has an advertiser verification being done, so has an upper edge than the usual account, because the account has advertiser verification done. Now the question is, will my Google Ads account suspend again? Okay, I'm going to tell you a bitter truth. Your account can be suspended anytime, anywhere in the future, today, tomorrow. You cannot guarantee on it. Your account can run successfully for years, or your account can get into suspension sometime. That is a bitter truth. That is an automatic suspension. You cannot, no one can guarantee this on it. But because your account has been verified and validated, which is why, in my opinion, no, it's not likely to be get suspended sooner. Okay, this is my again an opinion, my perception. I hope you'll agree with me on this. The second is, why did this occur? Account deactivated after suspension. As I told you, this may be an automated behavior. Their algorithmic system, which is very advanced nowadays, and they may detect suspension automatically, and which is why you manually got it resolved, because you manually got it resolved, and also you provided three types of advertiser verification. Now, after doing this, I hope that this will not be suspended anytime sooner. This is my perception. After dealing such cases, after two times suspension and restoration, it is very less likely that your account may be suspended again. And what are the possibilities that my account will continue to work successfully in the future? There are high possibilities. I believe more than 80% possibilities that your account is going to futurely work. But in case if your account gets suspended again, or in case if you need a management audit or setup services, again you can hire me and my team, and we are going to look for those issues and get it resorted very quickly for you guys. So in case if you need a professional help, hire me and my team, and we will love to work with you. We are Google partner company, and we're going to make sure a continuous uninterrupted services for your account. So I look forward working with you guys. I hope I answered your question as well. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.